Cheers, Juan Last Bite here. Today we're going to take you down to some Carne Asada Fries. Fully loaded. Did you know that the Belgians invented the French fry? And I really don't like the French, but today I do. And Carne Asada comes from Chihuahua, Mexico, somewhere from what I read. And the Carne Asada Fries hail from San Diego, Southern California. So we got a little bit of skirt steak over here that we're gonna season. I'm gonna use this little olive oil that I got right here, marinating with some serrano peppers, just to give it a little bit of heat. We got a little bit of some Mexican string cheese here that we're gonna use on top of the fully loaded Carne Asada fries. And then we're gonna put it under the broiler to get a nice little melt. All right, so what we got here is a little, probably gonna pronounce it wrong, a little Cojita Cheese. It's a crumbly cheese. Think of it kind of like a Parmesan, if you will, or like a Parmesan. We'll go with that. But it's made out of goat's milk instead of cow's milk. And we're gonna crumble that on top of the Carne Asada fries towards the tail end.
What traditional Mexican dishes use this? It looks really familiar.
They put it on salads, tacos,
okay.
Maybe dust it on top of some good enchiladas. So we're just gonna cut that directly in the half lengthwise, and then half again lengthwise there. Other side, halfway lengthwise. All right, and then what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that you rinse them off, get the starch off, makes them fry a lot nicer. So they're gonna fry up for about 2.5 minutes or so. That's gonna get the inside nice and soft. And then we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna get all the oil off, and then we're gonna fry them one more time, and then the outside will be nice and crunchy. All right, let's go put this bad boy on the grill. One little light dusting of some pink sea salt and some garlic. That shit looks delicious. You know what? I'm not sure if they have Carne Asada fries down in Mexico. I mean, they have them down in San Diego.
This gotta be like some Tex-Mex, right?
San Diego, California Mexican. I keep hearing about California Mexican food. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I went to some restaurant here locally that supposedly was of that caliber. I'm not gonna mention any names, but personally, it was like low-grade dog food.
There's a big like stigma that like Mexican women from California, like the Latinas over there, look better than the ones we have in Texas. But that's just what I've heard.
That's what you heard?
That's what I've heard.
Oh, we gotta ask Chicky about that. We gotta Chicky, when you see the video, let us know. String cheese right here, Hiley.
Yeah, you got to do it.
Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna dust it off with a little bit of this skirt. A little more cheese. A little more skirt. All right.
So we were putting them in the
We're gonna put them under the broiler.
How long?
Just a few minutes. Get that nice and melted. Look at that, brother. How's it look?
Good. Amazing.
You sure?
Yeah, amazing.
Is it gonna be better than the cheesecake?
Ooh, that's a hard comparison.
All right. There you go. Look at those colors of Mexico.
Yeah, that actually looks really good.
What the fuck did you think?
Not like
Dude, you're killing me.
You don't done yourself. This might be better than Jalisco's.
Dude, you know this is fucking better than Jalisco's. They called the cops on me there once.
Which one?
The one in Port A. Their food sucked, and I told them I wasn't paying for it.
I'll put that up. You make that? Homemade?
Yeah, out of a box. From Juan Last Bite. Little drizzle. last but not least, queso fresco. Cheers. Over and out with Juan Last Bite. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Carne Asada Fries, and there will be more to come. So stay tuned. Please like and share and let your friends know where it's all happening right here.